Bonjour! In this lesson, we are going to learn how to conjugate le conditionnel in French. This is how we form the tense. We have the subject pronoun plus the stem of future, that is, for ER and IR ending verbs, we consider the whole verb, and from RE ending verbs, we drop the E and then add the endings of imparfait. Here's how our tense would look like. For ER and IR ending verbs, we consider the whole verb, and from RE ending verbs, we drop the E and add the imparfait endings. The imparfait endings would remain the same for every verb. This is how we would pronounce the tense. J'aimerais, tu aimerais, il aimerait, elle aimerait, nous aimerions, vous aimeriez, ils aimeraient, elles aimeraient. Next, je finirai, tu finirais, il finirait, elle finirait, nous finirions, vous finiriez, il finirait, elle finirait. And for RE verbs, j'attendrai, tu attendrais, il attendrait, elle attendrait, nous attendrions, vous attendriez, ils attendraient, elles attendraient. Please note that for aimer and attendre, the subject pronoun would be J apostrophe and not JE. Here are a few exceptions which do not follow the above rule of framing the future stem by considering the whole ER and IR ending verbs or dropping the E from RE ending verbs. These are the same exceptions as in the case of future. Avoir AUR, aller IR, être SER, faire FER, recevoir RECEVR, devoir DEVR, tenir TIENDR, venir VIENDR, vouloir VOUDR, pouvoir POURR, savoir SAUR, voir VERR, and falloir FAUDR. To these stems, we would add the imparfait endings to form the conditional tense. Here is where we use the conditional tense. To express a wish or a dream. Example, il voudrait devenir chanteur. He would want to become a singer. Or in case of a hypothesis, that is, the C clause or the if clause. The structure would always be as C plus imparfait plus the conditional tense. Example, s'il parlait le français, il pourrait participer dans cet échange. If he spoke French, he could participate in this exchange. So, here we have the if, that is the C clause, plus the imparfait tense, which is the verb parler in imparfait, and the verb pouvoir in conditional tense. To express an advice. Tu devrais finir tes études pour trouver un bon travail. You ought to finish your studies in order to find a good job. This is how we frame and use the imparfait tense.